Do you have crazy watermarks on your car that are hard to remove? This is my wife's car here, and you can see that there is a lot of water deposit. We have really hard water. I guess the neighbor's sprinkler is spraying on our car, leaving this water deposit here. I just literally got a car wash and it's still here. So it doesn't come off easily. I have literally tried every product and this is the only thing that works for me. It's Meguiar's water spot remover. I'm not sponsored by anybody. This is just what works for me and hopefully it works for you. So I'm going to show you how I use it. You can apply it on a microfiber towel and then wipe your car with it. Or you can have an attachment like this and attach it to a power drill. I got this off Amazon for 10 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description where you can buy this off Amazon for 10 bucks. It was pretty cheap and it comes with these attachments that you can change. So to show you this in action, I'm going to leave this side unpolished and then I'm going to polish this side. For the first method, I'm just going to use a regular microfiber towel and then wipe it on. It works on trim and it also works on your windows. Alright, I have another microfiber towel which I'm just going to use to wipe it down. Wipe off the excess. And as you can see, look at the side. This is the side that I haven't done it. And now this is the side that I just applied it just by hand. Look at the difference, it's crazy. So this Meguiar spot remover product really works. If you have a polish like this, it's even easier. Just apply it to the pad. With this tool, you can save your energy. I'm going to show you this handle right here. You see all the watermarks on this handle? You can even apply it on that drill and then use it on the handle. All right, I got my dry microfiber towel. I'll wipe it down. Wipe down the handle. All right, that's the finished product right there. So I did the whole door. Just as a comparison, this is the door that I didn't do. And this is the door that I did. This is the handle now. You can see the areas that I didn't get well, still have the water spots back here. But when I did polish it, it has like mirror-like finishes. So nice. So yeah, I hope that's helpful for you. Once again, this is Meguiar's water spot remover. Totally works. If you found this useful, please hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers only. Please help me get there. Thanks so much. Bye.